Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to set up multi-factor authentication on Cloudflare account on your profiles. So before doing how to set up MFA, you should have used to multi-factor authentication app on your mobile phone, which is called Authy, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. What you want to use, okay? For my case, I'm using Authy personally. This is very good. I can use in the multiple device same username and password in the Android, iOS, and as well my laptop. So before doing anything, I will show you how to set up the MFA into your Cloudflare account. Let's move on the screen. So once you log in your Cloudflare account with your username and credentials, then you will see the dash.cloudflare.com and the random strings. Okay, so you can see on the left hand side there's icons, okay, profile icons. You can just go and click into your profile. Okay, so here is you can see multiple options. Okay, and you can see the email account appearance and language preference, communication preference, whatever you want. In our case, we don't need to edit anything. In the right hand side you can see the preference, then authentication. So we need to go in authentication section. Okay, in the authentication section you can see at the moment I have only set up password, the two-factor authentication, and sometimes we can say multi-factor authentication. There's no any enable, and there's option you need to set up. Okay, if you never set up, you definitely see here the setup options. Okay, so just click on the setup options and you can use the one of the option from them. If you want to use security key authentication, you can. And if you want to mobile app authentication, so in our case I need to add mobile app authentication, because in the security key authentication is required a hardware, something like USB stick, something like that device, to attach into your laptop, and it will give you a random key, and you can add accordingly the random key, and it is connected from your cloud or some other providers. Okay, they are offering the hardware related to security. Okay, but in our case we are using mobile app authentication, which is easy and there is no any cost. Okay, so that's the reason I am using mobile authentication app. So just click on the add button. Okay, after the add button you will see here the authentication, and you can follow the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, so step 1 is install an authentication app, which I already installed, inform you early of this video. Okay, step 2, scan the following QR code on your authentication app. Whatever app you are using, you just go into your app. Okay, and just click on your app, and then you need to add new account and scan your um, this is QR code. I just scan. Okay, in my case I just scan, and you can need to mm, um, I just add save into my computer and my laptop. So is QR code into my mobile. Okay, then there's option to once you add into your QR code in your mobile phone, then you will able to see a um, um, OTP pin, and you need to add into your step 3 902 410. This is my one time key pin. Okay, this is one time pin that's I'm visible, that's it is visible for everyone. Okay, so next, enter your password. So in my case I'm using autofill. So I'm using for the last pass, because this is very easy for me, and I can easily don't need to copy from the any file. This is very secure. So just next, I just added next, and you can see these are the your authentication recovery codes. You just copy or download. In my case I'm downloading. In case you forget the MFA and password, then you definitely need to recover. So during this recovery you need this recovery codes. So that's the reason I just downloaded. And make sure you need to download and preserve in any safe place, and maybe in your pen drive, maybe in your Google Drive, or somewhere else outside of the computer for the safe side. Okay, then you press only for the next. This is also confirm you haven't say regenerate the code. So in our case we don't need to do anything, we just next. Okay, because we already complete. And then you can see the two-factor authentication is enabled, and from here you can manage the MFA if you want to remove, reconfigure, and generate the backup code. You can see here is the backup code. Backup code is basically if you want to you get your locked account and you want to restore the your Cloudflare account, then you can use the backup code. It will help you the restoration of your account. Today this is only for the demo for the how to set up the MFA on your multi on your Cloudflare and the Cloudflare using for the Authy and Google Authenticator app. So it's very simple, it's very straightforward. If you have any question, you guys um, uh, pu- drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.